Hi, this is Teresa. I hope everybody's having a great day today. For this video, I can resist. I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing of NYX's new collection, and I'll show you what it is. Ready? I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Yes, that's right. I stopped by an Ulta store that I usually go to, and it's so cute. They have the Barbie movie, Barbie the movie collection in Ulta NYX, and next to the display they have like a kind of like a photo booth, like this giant Barbie doll box, and you can come inside the this booth or this Barbie doll box, and you can take somebody can take your picture in it. It's really cute. So I didn't get every single thing because I want to make sure I'm happy with my purchase. I pick something that's comfortable for me, and stuff like that. So I only got 3 items from the collection. There's a lot. I'm really bummed that that the lip gloss is gone. But this is what I got. I got this one. It's a jumbo eye pencil set, and it comes in Barbie and Ken. And then between the two palettes, I got this. I got this one, and I chose to get It's a Barbie party, and they have in the back of the box, they have stars. That means that, let me see. Yeah, you can use it on the face. So let's see what it looks like right now. And what's really cool about this, if you get this palette, you're gonna get a free lip gloss. What is it? Butter gloss connected to this. It's so freaking cute. And this is what it is. And it's which one? This is I got tiramisu connected to this palette. It's a Barbie party, and this is what it looks like. Really cute. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, I know it's a little bit the more neutrally of the two palettes, but I just feel comfortable with this one because I know that between the two palettes, I'm gonna finish this one up more than the other one. I forgot what the name of the other palette is. It has like the bright blue, and lavenders and all that stuff, and gold, and it's like, yeah, it's beautiful, but I'm not comfortable buying it. It's not like I'm gonna use it every day. So yeah, and if you pick the other palette, I don't know what the name of that palette is. It's gonna have a clear like lip gloss, okay, connected to it. And then the last item, again, I forgot what the name of is it the butter gloss? Um, it's like a bright pink, uh, Barbie kind of a shade. I forgot what it's called. That sold out. I'm so mad, but that's okay. I got one of the matte lip creams. It's really cute packaging. La da da da. And between this one, I'll tell you which shade it is, and I think the other one, I'm trying to remember. I think it's called like Dream House Barbie or something like that. Um, which is a deeper color, and usually deeper colors don't work with me. Usually work on me. I got this Perfect Day pink instead, and I chose this one because I was trying to try both of the shades at the same time. One, the Dream House one, and then this Perfect Day pink. And the reason why I chose the Perfect Day pink is because I've got other fellow customers look at me try this on, and they said, "Oh, that looks pretty on you. That looks pretty on you." Because thanks to these two other fellow customers, they convinced me to buy this one. It's really pretty. Um, hmm. Do I feel like trying to anything else? Wait a minute. I think that's about it that I'm willing to do for now. Uh, so until my next video, peace out. Bye.